Alright, I'm selling my 2001 Chevy Corvette Z06. The car has 40,000 miles on it and is highly modified. It's a LT1 motor, Y-scope piston, eagle rods forged. It's a twin front mount turbo system. Got a Lingenfeller mini tub allowing for 12-inch rims. The rims are factory rims that have been widened an inch and a half. So they have a 345 Mickey Thompson street radial. Those tires have about 1,500 miles on it. It's an original interior. Try to keep it sleeper looking as much as possible. It's the Inferno Red, which is real popular. As you can see, it's pretty clean. It is an aftermarket Alpine deck. It's a little outdated because it doesn't have Bluetooth, so you might want to update that, or if I don't sell it, I'll ask Mama for a Christmas present. There are 2 amps and 2 10-inch sumps in the rear. The hood is an aftermarket, so the paint job on the hood is not original. If you really look at it, you can see kind of little different tones in the metal flake. But again, I'm just picky. So body's in really good shape. It is lowered. There are a few scrapes on the bottom section, but they're out of eye shot, so it's not really a big deal. Interior, again, pretty stock. There is a air-fuel ratio gauge, and there's an EcoBoost Boost 2 turbo monitor. So the 2 subs. Again, the stereo is nothing to get too excited about, but it does have one. That is meth injection. Works good. Has a dual sprayer on it. If you're going to drag race the car, though, you're going to want to move the meth injection to in front of the firewall, because it will not let you on the track like that. The engine, highly modified. You got a fast intake system on it. Got a 200-watt amplifier, alternator. I've got a red top battery down there. This is a remote coolant reservoir. You've got DeWitt's radiator, twin DeWitt's fans. You've got I forget whatever it's called, air cooler in the front there. Again, it's a PTK turbo kit, front mounts, running 2 precision turbos. It's set currently at 16 psi, giving you about 750 horsepower. There's plenty left. The car was once tuned to 18 psi and was putting out 812 horsepower. I just backed it down a little bit just for streetability, and I didn't want to blow it up. So I've recently wrapped that header. That is your power steering fluid. It is kind of hanging out there in front of all that hot stuff, so you do lose a little power steering when the engine's hot. I've just wrapped it in that insulator to see if that makes a difference there. So again, 2001 Corvette. Oh, it has RPM stage 5 trans in it also. About $40,000 worth of upgrades, or I should say $40,000 spent on upgrades on this car from the previous owner, not me. I have about $28,000 invested in it, which includes about $1,000 in tune from Mike Carpenter down in Ocala. He tuned it and chased down some vacuum lines, and also took care of the steering lock on it at the time. So pretty cool car for not a lot of money. I want a boat, so car has to go first. Send me a message, send me a text if you're interested.